Hello everyone, welcome to PRV solution. So in this video lecture we will study about the function generator. Function generator is an important laboratory equipment which is used to generate different types of waveform for analyzing purpose. Let us start. So first is the definition. A function generator generator is a device which helps to test an electronic equipment and used to generate different types of electrical waveforms over a wide range of frequency. So it is a laboratory equipment which is used to generate different types of electrical waveforms, sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, with over a wide range of frequencies. Frequency can also be varied here. Some of the most common waveforms produced by the function generator are the sine wave, square wave, triangular wave and sawtooth shapes. These waveforms can be either repetitive or a single shoot, means only once, in which case some kind of triggering source is required, means we can trigger our signal with internal or external sources. The resultant waveforms can be applied to a device under test. We can apply these waveforms to the device under test and analyzed as they progress through the device and confirming the proper operation of the device or the pinpointing a fault in it. So it is used for finding the fault when we will apply these waveforms to a device under the test, and then we analyze these signals progress through the device. So in this way we can get the faults in our device. So it is used to test the electronic devices. Many function generators are also capable of generating two different waveforms simultaneously, means we may have two channel function generator. This can be useful feature when two generated signals are required for a particular application. The application which requires two signals simultaneously, so we can generate these two signals from the function generator with two channel function generator. Integrated circuits used to generate waveforms may also be described as function generator ICs. Sometimes we have many ICs which are used to generate different waveforms. So these are also known as function generator ICs. This is the flow block diagram of the function generator. So as described by the definition, it is used to generate different waveform like square wave, triangular wave and sine wave. This is the frequency control network. The frequency is controlled by external current or voltage to this network, and this external voltage controls the upper current constant current source and lower constant current source. Integrator is used to directly give the triangular wave, while here the multivibrator circuit or comparator circuit is used to generate the square wave, and resistance diode shaping circuit gives shape to this integrator output as a sine wave. So in this way we will get different types of output waveform through the function generator. We will discuss its working in next slides. Operating principle. The simplest function generator usually generates a combination of square wave, triangular wave and sine waves. A typical function generator can provide frequencies up to 20 megahertz. In lab you will find a function generator that can provide signals up to frequencies of 20 megahertz. These are the waves that are generated by the function generator: sine wave, square wave, triangular wave and sawtooth wave. Now we will study the working. In this instrument, the frequency is controlled by varying the magnitude of the current that drives the integrator. So frequency is controlled by the current that drives this integrator circuit. The frequency controlled voltage regulates two current supply sources. It regulates these two current supply sources. The current supply source 1 supplies constant current to the integrator whose output voltage rises linearly with time. An increase or decrease in the current increases or reduces the slope of the output voltage and thus controls the frequency. So, this is the output of the integrator, which is equal to E naught is equal to minus 1 by C integration of I dt, which is equal to I by C t since I is constant. So, as I is constant, so current to the integrator whose output voltage, so voltage will rise linearly with time and it will drop linearly with time also when time decreases. The voltage comparator multivibrator changes its state. Voltage comparator multivibrator is used to generate the square wave. So, it must have two stable states, high state and low states, and these will change state at a predetermined maximum level of the integrator output voltage. Means when the integrator output voltage reaches to a maximum level, then it will change its state. When it will change, reaches to predetermined maximum level, this change cuts off the current supply from the source 1 and switches to the supply source 2. Means this supply source is now cut and it will switches to the lower current constant current source. Now, the current supply source 2 supplies a reverse current to the integrator, means to reduce its output drops linearly with time. When the output attains a predetermined level, the voltage comparator again changes state and switches on the current supply source 1. Means in this way it will changes its state from high to low and low to high. So, it will generate a square wave, this wave, according to the current supplied to the integrator circuit. The output of the integrator is a triangular wave whose frequency depends upon the current supplied by the constant current supply sources. Integrator will give triangular wave. The comparator output provides a square wave of the same frequency as the output. Multivibrator provides square wave of the same frequency, while the resistance diode network changes the slope of the triangular wave as its amplitude changes and produces a sinusoidal wave with less than 1% of the distortion. So, in this way integrator provides triangular wave, comparator provides square wave, while the resistance diode network provides sinusoidal wave. Applications of function generators. Function generators are used in development, testing and repair of electronic equipment. They are used for testing and repair of electronic equipment. For example, as a signal source to test amplifier. They can be given as a signal source to test amplifier or to introduce an error signal into control loop. Second is another type of function generator is a subsystem that provides an output proportional to some mathematical function of its input. Some function generator produces output proportional to some mathematical function. Example, the output may be proportional to the square root of the input, means output is always the square root of the input. Such devices are used in feedback control systems and in analog computers. Third is application is response testing. They are used for response testing using square waves, pulses and noise. Now, the features of function generators. The frequency range is 0.01 hertz to 100 kilohertz. They can produce various waveforms, square wave, triangular wave and sine waves. The accuracy is within plus minus 1% in low frequency range. The distortion is less than the 1% of the sine wave. They can be phase locked to another external signal generator, means the phase lock to standard frequency. So, all the output waveforms of generator will have same accuracy and stability as that of standard signal source. So, this can be used for producing the accuracy and stability as that of the standard signal sources. Thanks.